Hi and good day. Welcome to another video by Chennai Brothers. In this video, we're going to see what the best Python extensions are in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This is Chennai Brothers. So if you have just installed Visual Studio Code, you would only have these 5 tabs. They are the Explorer, the Search, the Source Control, the Run and the Debug, and the Extensions. So what we want is to go in the Extensions, or you could press Ctrl-Shift-X, and this is for Windows. If you are on the Mac or Linux, then your extensions icon is going to look different from the Windows. So I'm currently on the Windows, so let's press, and it gives you everything that you have enabled, everything recommended, and everything disabled. So since we're going to look at the best extensions for Python in Visual Studio Code, we are going to write Python in the extensions, and if you can see, we're currently in the marketplace. That basically means this is where we would buy or install the extensions. So the Python, first we want to install this, and as you can see, it comes with a couple of things. It comes with linting, debugging, IntelliSense, Jupyter Notebook, code reformatting, refactoring, unit tests, snippets, and if you go down here, it will also give you feature details. Next is the Kite Autocomplete for Python and JavaScript. So I have already installed this, but I haven't enabled it. So let me just enable this. And next is the Python for Visual Studio Code. Even though you've already done the Python, I still find it useful if you enable this as well. So I'm just going to click enable. Next is the Python extension pack. It comes with Python, which we already installed, but along with that, we also have Magic Python. It's a syntax highlighter. And Django is a Python module for building websites. And Jinja, which goes along with Django. And Visual Studio IntelliCode. It's an AI-assisted development. Next is Arable for Python. Even though this looks like this, if you go down, you can actually see everything here. So just to show you what it would actually look like, let's go back to our Chennai Brothers. And let's make a new file and name it tip. And if you don't write .py, you'll just take it as a normal folder. So you gotta have tip.py, because .py is the Python extension for file. And if you have installed it or enabled it, if you can see up here, it says evolve in real time, and it has this icon. If you press it, while the making of this video, Arable got an error, so I had to pause the video and make a new clip. So here you go. Once it launches, we'll be on this Arable homepage. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I think it's Arple or something like that. But it's on the homepage. So if we were to start typing in code like print hi, it gives us the print output here and the variables. And also, the Kite Autocomplete that we uh, installed or enabled also does something here. So if you can see, when I do print, this thing comes up. This is what Kite gives us. And as you can see, it literally says function Kite. So Kite is basically completes it without us having to do it. So it also gives us code snippets. So if we were to choose this, it would give us the whole entire thing. So let me make this bigger so you can see it. As you can see, it gives us everything that print function has in it. It's the object, the separator, the end, the file, and the flush. So let's get back. And that that Python pack, all the Python package that we installed, the magic Python in one of them, if you could see right now, that's what's giving us this highlight. The Python package also does that, but I like the magic Python because it changes it a little bit. And let's get back to the REPL extension. So it gives us the print output and the variables, but as you can see, there's nothing here because we haven't gave it any value. So let's say a is equal to, and before we get to the variables, if you can see, it also gives us errors. Like here, it says in line 3, there's a syntax error. It has an invalid syntax. So you can go back here and just give it hi. And once we do that, here it'll be there. So, but if you were to change the a variable that's already there, like let's say a is equal to hi and please subscribe, it would change the variable and it won't just make a new one, delete the old one and do it. It'll just go into the variable and add whatever you were going to do or delete whatever you didn't add. And and it says hi and please subscribe. And as a matter of fact, if you like this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please take a second right now to hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Well, that is basically all the extensions that I think are the best for Python. If you have other opinions or you think these are not the best extensions, or you have more extensions, please comment in the comment section below. Bye! This is Chennai Brothers, exiting.